Tunisia has started its vaccination program against Covid-19. The country, which is the smallest in North Africa, has been hit hard by the virus with hundreds of thousands of cases and nearly 8,500 deaths. That has forced mortuaries and cemeteries to adapt to protect staff and mourners from infection while trying to allow limited access to grieving relatives. But finding space for the dead has become harder and harder, as the BBC's Rhodri Davies reports.
Even death poses a danger at this mortuary, as workers disinfect everything, including body bags and their handlers. Next, Lotfi Jalassi identifies the body of his brother Saleh, alone. As Saleh's wife and daughter are absent and weren't able to say goodbye to him before he died.
A person who dies and is buried because of this disease. Obviously, it takes time to forget. It will take more than a day or two, a week or a month to forget.
And with mortuary workers, he gives time-honored prayers in an abnormal scene, seen by only a few. Once, a body went to the home, the mosque, loved ones, before burial. Saleh's body goes straight to a cemetery in Tunis, where social distancing makes the gulf even bigger.
We accept the presence of some relatives, but while respecting the social distancing. It's necessary to keep a certain distance to protect all the people on site. It's a very difficult job physically and psychologically, and it weighs on us a lot.
Weighing heavily too is the amount of work to be done.
We thought the square we had reserved for Covid-19 victims would be smaller than that. But as time went on, it spread out and the number of deaths increased. We've had thousands of burials in the cemetery of Davies. It is a number that saddens us.
So relatives can only bid farewell to Tunisia's Covid victims from afar. They'll have the rest of their lives to remember. Rhodri Davies, BBC News.